Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's Solana video update for Sunday 20 of February. And here we are guys, join me into the Discord, and if you guys interested into the signals as well, it's $5 per month. Otherwise the Discord is all free and you can join that as well. Now here we are, and yesterday, I don't know if it was yesterday or some few days ago, we talked about this massive head and shoulder pattern, and that's what we're looking to actually form coming up. So it seems like you're gonna take this $81 low right there, and then from there you're looking to actually fall down to the 66.98. okay, so if you've been following the channel, that's gonna be nearly a 30% drop, 29% drop out of that head and shoulders, and that's just how it looks like. Okay, so your left shoulder, your head, and your right shoulder, this is where you're breaking out of the neckline, and that's where you're looking to actually fall to the $66.98 or the $67.98, and then from there we're going to see what happens. I don't know if March is going to be good or not, but we're going to see after the next 8 days, 16 hours. We still have 8 more days to actually close the monthly candlestick, and boy oh boy, if you actually look at the higher time frame, look how this thing actually went to the upside, absolutely took off. And a lot of people bought here, guys. A lot of people bought here. They don't understand that this had really hit move to the upside, guys, like literally from $1 all the way to $58. So if it does come to 66, that's just the market cycle. You go up, then you come down, and then from there you go up in the future. Who knows, right? So that's just how the cycle is always going to work. Nothing stays down forever, but once again, not a financial advice is here. We're going to see if it actually does stay down forever or not. There's a lot of FUD going on into the market as well for Solana. People are saying that it's kind of centralized thing. I don't know, but that's just how it is. Okay, when a coin wants to dump, they just bring the FUD and they dump the coin. And by the way, Bitcoin is dumping, so how can you expect Solana not to dump to the downside as well? So yeah, let's see for the 66, and potentially from there the $50 as well. And that's it for today's update. I'm going to see you with the next one. Allah Hafiz.